I'll guide you through how to track your Shein order with the official app without the problem of outdated or slow tracking information. If you're looking to check the real-time status of your package and want to track your Shein order from the moment it ships to when it arrives at your door, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, open your Shein app and tap on the Me icon in the bottom right corner. Within the My Orders section, tap on View All to see a list of all your purchases. Find the specific order you want to track and click on the Track button, which is located next to the shipping status. This will bring you to the detailed tracking page. You'll see a series of status updates that represent your package's journey. In preparation means the order is being packed. This usually takes 1 to 3 days. Shipped means it has left the warehouse. In transit indicates it's on its way. And out for delivery means it's with your local carrier and will arrive soon. For more detailed, real-time updates, you may decide that using a third-party tracking service is better. Simply copy the tracking number from the Order Details page and paste it into a reliable service like 17Track or Parcel app. Once your package has been successfully delivered, you can go back to the app and tap Confirm Delivery. This step is optional, but it helps Shein know the item was received. You can do this at any time within 6 months of the delivery date. By this, you have successfully tracked your Shein order. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.